You can never go wrong with avocado because it's creamy, delicious, loaded with lots of healthy fats and vitamins. So today I'll be showing you how to make guacamole, which is going to be creamy, delicious, and very flavorful. So good. For this recipe, I'm going to be using very few fresh ingredients, which are going to make our guacamole so delicious. I have some avocado, tomatoes, onion, lemon, and coriander for the recipe. And also I'm going to be using black pepper and salt to season my guacamole. I'll start off by prepping my guacamole, and I have 3 avocados for the recipe. So using a small paring knife, I'm going to cut around my avocado just like this. Then I'm going to check my avocado, and this is how it looks on the inside, and it's looking so gorgeous. So using my paring knife, I'm going to slice into my avocado just like this. Tilt my avocado and cut diagonal lines across. And then using a spoon, I'm going to place in my avocado in my bowl. It's going to be very easy to transfer the avocado into the bowl because it's not going to be messy at all. So I'm going to repeat with the 3 avocados, and to remove your pit, and to remove the pit of your avocado, you're going to use your knife. Then you're going to make diagonal cuts just like this. Tilt your avocado, and once more you're going to cut across the avocado, making sure not to go all the way to the skin of the avocado because you don't want to injure yourself. Using a spoon, you're going to remove the avocado and place to a bowl just like that. So I'm going to repeat with the rest of the avocados. Once you're done with the avocado, you're going to pick your tomatoes and slice the pit of the tomato just like this. Then you're going to cut in half, cut into strips and into small pieces. Transfer to my bowl. Wipe my chopping board a little bit. Then I'm going to be slicing 1 medium onion. I'm going to slice my onion just like this, then across the onion, which is going to be very easy for me to finely dice. Once done, I'm going to transfer into my bowl. And to make sure that our avocado doesn't oxidize, I'm going to be squeezing in 1 lemon into the bowl. That is 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Then lastly, I'm going to be chopping up some coriander. I'm going to be using half of it. So I'm going to fold the coriander. If you don't like coriander, you can substitute with parsley. Then finely dice. and I have a few stems which I'm going to be adding in because coriander stems have a lot of flavor. So I'm going to throw in a little bit of the stems. Transfer to my bowl as well. And I'm done chopping up my fresh ingredients. So the next step is to season. So I'm going to place the rest of the ingredients aside. Wipe my surface a little bit to make sure the kitchen is clean or the countertop is clean. Then I'm going to be adding in some black pepper and salt. Add in a generous amount of salt. You want the guacamole to be well seasoned. And as you can see, the guacamole is a lot. This is 3 large avocados. Add in some black pepper, and I'm going to be adding in half a teaspoon. The black pepper adds in so much flavor to the guacamole. Go in and toss all the ingredients together until fully combined. When everything is combined, we're going to check the seasoning. So I'm going to pick 1 small avocado. I love the black pepper. So I need a little bit of salt. You want to make sure each bite is delicious. And once combined, this is how it's going to be looking, and it's creamy. It has some tomatoes, coriander, and all the goodness. So I'm going to transfer to a small bowl to show you how gorgeous the guacamole is looking. When done making your guacamole, it's going to be looking so gorgeous, vibrant, well seasoned, and delicious. And I have mine over here, which I've served up with some potato chips. You can choose to mash up your avocado or even leave some chunks for some texture, and the guacamole is going to be so good. I love that the black pepper has added in a very nice taste to my guacamole. So if you don't have black pepper, you can leave it out, but the flavor is just so good. So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, and it won't be. So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, and it will be perfect.